Hello, and this is the conclusion to my computer build, my first computer build, Cooler Master System. Watch my previous video, shows all the components. This is just to show you all real quick how everything came together. Cooler Master case. There's my card readers. This is all everything that pretty much came with the case already together, and the cooling up there. On the side here, very tight fit to get everything to fit properly. With the fan in the back, very, very large mass cool system there. Alright, I upgraded to a full 8 gigs of RAM instead of the 4 that I had originally. Dual video cards, running an SLI power system down there. Now this wiring is very, very organized compared to what it was when I first had it. This entire lower compartment here was completely full of wires. Hard drives running over here. I have two 500 gigabyte hard drives. And on the back side, this is how I plumb the wires. Still not the best, but much, much more organized than how I originally had it. This case actually doesn't leave. This case actually doesn't leave much room for running wires in the back. Even just the small amount of wires that I have here is actually too much to almost close the door. So, but that is the end of it. This computer here runs about a 13,500 gear score on the 3D benchmark test. And that's it. Everything turned out well. Fairly easy build. Love the motherboard. Love the video card and dual SI. There hasn't been a game yet that I haven't downloaded that I haven't been able to run in ultra quality the entire time. Thank you all.